Think you need a massive RV to travel in luxury? Think again. Today we are touring the Giottiline Siena 322, a compact motorhome that is an absolute masterclass in space efficiency. Let's head inside and see how they fit an entire apartment on 4 wheels. First up is the lounge. Check out this smart engineering. The table is fully expandable. With a quick slide and flip, you double your dining space, but it folds away instantly to keep the walkway clear. But where's the guest bed? It's hiding in the ceiling. This is an electric drop-down bed. Just turn the key, hit the switch, and it lowers down. It even comes with safety nets, making it a secure spot for kids or guests without taking up floor space during the day. Moving to the kitchen, they've maximized the prep area with this pop-up relief shelf. You get a sleek stainless steel sink and a 2-burner gas hob. And look at this storage, deep, soft-close drawers that are already organized for your cutlery and cookware. You have glossy overhead storage for dry goods, and right next to it, a tall, slim tower fridge with a freezer. It runs on gas, battery, or electric, so your food stays cold whether you're driving or parked at a campsite. Now, this is my favorite feature, the bathroom. At first glance, it looks like a standard wet bath, with plenty of storage behind the mirrors and a 230-volt outlet. But watch this wall. It unlatches and swings all the way around to cover the toilet and sink. This creates a completely enclosed separate shower stall. It keeps your toilet dry and gives you a lot of elbow room to shower. It is a brilliant use of space. You also get a drop-down towel rail, a large vanity, and a swiveling cassette toilet to give you more legroom. Plus, a frosted window ensures you have ventilation and natural light. At the rear of the vehicle is the master bedroom with a comfortable transverse double bed. They didn't waste any space here either. The steps to get into bed actually flip up to reveal hidden storage compartments. If you need to grab something from the trunk, the entire bed frame lifts up on hydraulics to give you direct internal access to the massive rear garage, which is heated and big enough for all your camping gear. Up in the cockpit, you have complete privacy with these built-in sliding blinds for the windshield and windows. And above, this massive panoramic skylight opens up to flood the cabin with fresh air. You even get flexible reading lights with USB ports to charge your phone. Driving is a breeze with cruise control, air conditioning, and a cool dashboard compartment for drinks. The entertainment system also doubles as your monitor for the rear-view camera, making parking this rig incredibly easy. On the outside, the Siena 322 features sleek Italian styling, fog lights, and a sturdy Thule awning ready for sunny days. Complete with outdoor LED lighting and a full-height mosquito net on the door, this RV is ready for adventure. If you enjoyed this tour, please hit that like button and subscribe for more RV reviews. Which feature did you like best, the swinging shower wall or the electric bed? Let me know in the comments below.